All right, so it's been about 5 years since I've had any sort of live TV or cable TV. I've just been using streaming services this whole time, and that's been great and all. But I would be lying to you if I said I didn't miss having access to live TV for things like sports. So how do I reintegrate live TV into the flow that I already have? Well, DIRECTV has the answers for that, and I'm super excited to be partnering with them on this video to show you what's up. So those were the main things for me: ease of use and a seamless experience, and that is exactly what I got. This is DIRECTV, and what we're looking at here is a super clean setup with a familiar guide interface flanked by a list of categories. You'll find live channels. The most popular ones are included in every programming package, so you can get access to your go-to live TV, your shows, and news. Local channels are always included for free too, which is great. And when you're using this, like I am, this is their Gemini streaming device, you can get streaming app integrations such as Apple TV Plus and Max and Netflix, Prime Video, and more. And it'll actually assign a channel number to each app in the guide, which I think is pretty slick. You can favorite different stations, so you don't have to surf through everything if you don't want to. Your go-tos will be lined up right here in this favorites tab. Being able to hop in and out of live programming and different content from different apps without having to dig through a whole bunch of pages and specific apps is so nice. Having everything in one area really makes things so much nicer. The categories are easy to navigate, and they do a great job of displaying exactly what you're looking for, whether it's content for your kids to watch, dedicated spots for just TV shows or just movies, which is great for when I'm hosting family movie nights. This helps us find and decide on what to watch because it usually takes a long time. And of course, there's the sports category. Gotta have this. It even has a function that lets you set what your favorite teams are for recommendations, and you can keep up with scores as games progress. This was a big plus for me. It's been a great sort of central hub for all things sports. I've actually been using this for a while, and I was able to keep up with the NCAA tournaments this past spring, the NBA playoffs, the NBA finals, the WNBA and baseball seasons are in full swing, pun intended, and I'll be ready for football season coming up soon. Now there's also an on-demand section that houses over 60,000 shows and movies, which is insane. So if you're not able to keep up with things as they're being aired, you've got this huge library to help you out. There's unlimited cloud DVR recording functionality, which is a big plus as well. And in addition to all of this, I can grab the DIRECTV app on my computer, my smart TV, on my tablet, and on my phone, so I can access everything wherever I go. And that includes live TV, the on-demand collection, my saved and recorded content, all of it. Now, this Gemini device comes with this remote. It's got a basic but a well thought out layout. It's got an apps button on the bottom right. It's got a dedicated record button and a button for voice commands. This makes things even easier. With this, you can search for different shows and movies and cast members and channels. I can use it to control my connected smart home devices as well. And in addition to that, I can use this one remote to control my TV, sound system, and the Gemini itself, of course. So while utilizing a satellite dish for this service is still absolutely an option, it's not required at all, and I get to use my existing internet connection. Paired with this Gemini Air device, getting set up and running is wildly simple. And that is what I don't miss. All of the friction getting things installed and set up and having to swap between different inputs and applications and remotes just to get to what I want to watch, it's all right there. And being able to access everything on my phone or my tablet just enhances my TV watching experience, whether I'm traveling or just moving around the house or enjoying the weather outside before it gets way too hot to do so here in Texas. Their site makes it super easy to get started with whatever your current setup might be. There are a handful of different packages to choose from, and again, every package comes with the most popular channels, and local channels are always included for free. I really didn't like having to compromise my TV watching experience, and now with this, I don't have to, and you really shouldn't have to either. So I've got a bunch of links and information placed around the video, so make sure you check it all out. Thanks again to DIRECTV for supporting the channel and sponsoring this video, and thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you heard that vehicle, but thank you so much for waiting until I was done to rev your engine there. All right.